So, good afternoon, everyone. So, we are the group 13, and today we will be going to tackle Rizal's lovers. So, who is the lovers of Rizal? Who is his first love? Who is his wife? And who is his greatest love? And the other, the iyahang nakapsusunod. Now, for the information of everybody, Rizal has 9 lovers or 9 women sa iyahang life. So, now let's go deeper kung yung ni Rizal nga yung niya pag kung ang iyahang mga girls. And let's start with his puppy love. So, his first lover or his puppy love is Segunda Cotiba. So, Jose Rizal was a young boy, 16. At the age when he first fell in love, he was 16, and Segunda was 14 years old. So, Segunda, let's say that ang love is makita sa manghod sa inuha, sa classmates sa inuha manghod, which is Segunda and Olympia was a close friend. That's why nagkaila si Rizal and si Segunda Cotiba. However, their relationship did not work because first and foremost, si Segunda Cotiba at the age of 14 is already engaged with Manuel. So the next woman that I encountered in Rizal is si Orang, which we call Leonora Valenzuela, which is known for the girl with invisible nipples. So Orang, his nickname is Orang. So diri ang makita, in other words, makita ang gugma sa silingan. So, si Orang is a silingan of Rizal. And also, Orang is the way si Rizal na magsulat og letters ka Orang to invisible ink. And what are the materials na ginagamit natin? Those are the salt and the water na iyahang tunawon. And para makita siya, ang iyahang mga letter ni Rizal, kang Orang, ayaha siyang painiton sa kandila or sa lamp para makita ang letter. However, wala po nag-work ang ilahang relationship. The next girl is Leonora Rivera. Leonora Rivera is the greatest love of Rizal for 11 years. So, Leonora Rivera is Jose's cousin. Ikagaw siya ni Rizal. So, in his letter, gitawag niya si Rizal o Ta-inis. He called this one Ta-inis. And also, Leonora Rivera is the one daw na gina-portray sa Noli Me Tangere, which is si Maria Clara. Siya daw na. And also, since ilahang relationship, since this time na nag-uyang si Leonora Rivera, niyato siya o Europa. And what happens in a relationship is nahimong LDR. So nahimong LDR is, ilahang letters is padala-padala lang. Padala sila, but niabot ba ang letters? The letters niabot, pero sa kadugayan, wala na siya niabot. Why? Because Rizal believed sa unang manggod si Rizal is a young filibuster. When we say filibuster, muna siya ang mga mga kalaban sa gobyerno. Rizal is a filibuster because he is against with the pamumuno sa mga Spanish that time. That's why ang mama ni Leonora Rivera, dili siya gusto na makauyab si Rizal. That's why sa iyang sigig padala og letter, dili na moabot kang Leonora ang letter ni Rizal. Tapos, si Leonora Rivera po, matingala lang siya nganong dili moabot ang letter ni Rizal. Kunya, si Rizal po, matingala lang siya nganong dili madawat niya ang letter ni Leonora Rivera. Kay, ginatagot siya sa mama ni Jose Rizal. And also, si Leonora Rivera was engaged kay Toma ni Leonora, dili na siya love ni Rizal, so na-engage siya sa lalaki na gi-introduce po siya mama. Pili sa mama ni Leonora, which is si Henry Kipping. And Henry Kipping and Leonora had two children. The first one, tapos ang second, kaya namatay si Leonora tungod na namatay siya ulang tata. So, this was his great love, Leonora Rivera, for 11 years. Next one is si Consuelo Ortiga E. Perez. So, a daughter of liberal-minded Spanish official who served in Manila in Spanish era. So, this time, si Consuelo is nani siya sa Spain, Japan, sa Europa, Japan. But the relationship did not work. Meron siya ka-flirt ni Rizal. Why? There are two things na wala sila. First one is gusto ni Rizal na maging loyal siya kang Leonora Rivera. That's why wala niya di-pursue si Consuelo. The next one is, ang barkada ni Rizal, which is si Eduardo de Leyte, is friend of Rizal. So, dili siya gusto na mag-away sila siyang friend. And also, dili po siya gusto na yung murag-chita niya si Leonora Rivera. So, the next one is si Osesan. So, from the word Osesan, you already know na dili siya Pinoy. She is a Japanese girl. She was 23 and Rizal was 27. So, si Rizal is tempted siya na mag-stay sa Japan with, but then pili ni Rizal ang life pili niya ang life as a Filipino. So, si Osesan, gitabangan niya si Rizal ng mag-tono Japanese nga language. That's why isa siya sa language na naibalan niya Rizal. And also, wala na nag-work ilahang relationship. So, kulang sa disata sa si Rizal. So, the next girl will be tackled by Fen Aribo.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, we all know that our national hero is a traveler around the world. So, he met Gertrude Beckett. While Rizal was in London, initiating the Decesos Islas Filipinas, he boarded in the family of Beckett with the distance of the British Museum. A blue-eyed and buxom girl was the oldest of the three Beckett daughters. She fell in love with Rizal, and also she helped Rizal to finish his painting and sculpture. But Rizal suddenly left in London for Paris to avoid Gertrude, who was seriously in love with him. But before he left, he finished the group carving, which is he gave to Gertrude as a sign of their brief relationship. The next is Nelly Bosted. Rizal, having lost Leonora Rivera, entertaining the thoughts of the Bosted family as the residents in the resort of Biarritz. Antonio Luna was also courted Nelly, but she was deeply infatuated with Rizal. Yes, you heard it right. Our one and only General Luna was also courted Nelly Bosted. In the party held by a Filipino in Madrid, a drunken Antonio Luna uttered unsavory remarks against Nelly. So, dito sa giatendan ng party, nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan nila Rizal at Antonio Luna. This prompted Rizal to challenge Luna into a duel. Fortunately, Luna apologized to Rizal, thus averting tragedy for the compatriots. Their love affairs did not end to marriage. It failed because Rizal did not converted to Protestant faith as Nelly demanded, and Nelly's mother. So Parted is a good friend when Rizal left in New York. So, dito lang ako kanilang nag-friend, dapat sila na buong relationship. Next is Suzanne Jacobi. In 1890, Rizal moved to Brussels because of the high cost of living in Paris. So, mahal na Paris, so nibalik sa Brussels. In Brussels, he lived in the boarding house of the two Jacobi sisters. In time, they fell in love. Suzanne died when Rizal left Brussels and wrote him when he was in Madrid. So Rizal saw her as a passing play, not a lifelong romance. So si Jose Jocobi sisiyag padala og letter kay Rizal katong nilarga na siya sa Brazil. Nilarga siya gikan sa Brazil. Si Jose is nagapadala siya letter kay Rizal, but si Rizal is dili kayo siya nagapadala because mas focus niya siya issue. So napay one gisulat ni Jose nga letter kay Rizal. Nakasulat ko is, don't delay too long writing us, because I wear out the soles of my shoes for running to the mailbox to see if there is a letter from you. So mauna yung ginawa kay si Rizal is panagsara siya nagapadala letter siya tapos parang nikuan na daw siya si balik-balik sa mailbox. The next one is Josephine Brockett. In the last day of the February 1895, while still in the Britain, Rizal met an 18-year-old petite Irish girl with bold blue eyes, brown hair, and a happy disposition. The adopted daughters of George Telford from Hong Kong who came to the Britain to seek Rizal Irish. So the adopted Josephine Brockett named George Telford because he is si George Telford is an kanang na siya eye treatment para humarta siya sa dapitan. And then Rizal asked Josephine to marry him, but she was not ready to make a decision due to her responsibility to a blind Telford. Rizal tried to arrange with Father Antonio Batch for their marriage. The priest wanted reparation as a precondition after the marriage. So what ay nahitabo nga kasal because after sa marriage is na-agree condition. So ang ginawa na lang ni Rizal is Rizal, upon the advice of his family and friends with consent, took her as his wife without a church blessing. Josephine later gave birth prematurely to a stillborn baby that didn't survive. So nanganak si Josephine also na after 3 hours birth na wala nakasurvive ang bata. And that's all. Thank you.